Welcome to Cambridge Chemistry channel with Sarwat Ahmed. Be sure to like the video and subscribe it. Really helps the channel to grow. Today I will solve 970133 variant paper, May June 2018. Let's start. Uh, First question, acids are defined as substances that can donate hydrogen ions to bases. Monoprotic acids contain one hydrogen ion that can be donated per molecule. Diprotic acid contain two hydrogen ions that can be donated per molecule. And you will determine by titration method whether Z is monoprotic or diprotic. Fa1 is a solution containing 6.10 gram per dm cube of acid Z. Fa2 is 0.105 mole per dm cube. Aqueous sodium hydroxide. Bromophenol blue is indicator. And its color change is that bromophenol in at pH 3 is blue, at pH 5 is uh, sorry, at pH 3 is yellow, and at pH 5 is blue. It means in acid its color is yellow, and it's in base its color is blue. So pipette 25 centimeter cube of Fa1 into a conical flask. Fill a burette with Fa2. Add several drops of bromophenol blue indicated to the conical flask. And you know that we have Fa1 in conical flasks like acid. So it means its color become yellow when you add several drops of bromophenol in the conical flask. Carry out a rough titration and record your burette readings in the space below. This table is very important, otherwise you don't get marks of this rough title. So draw the table like this. Final burette reading of Fa2 centimeter cube unit is very important. So 24.90 is the, let's say, is the final burette reading. Our initial burette reading is of Fa2 centimeter cube is 0.10. Volume of Fa2 used is 24.80. So we have rough titer is 24.80. Now carry out as many accurate titration as you think necessary to obtain consistent result. What do you mean by consistent result? Consistent results mean that your reading difference is minimum reading difference should be 0.1 to 0.20. So this pattern, you should follow this pattern, that your reading difference should be in between 0.10 till 0.20, not more than that. Record in suitable form below all of your burette readings and the volume of Fa2 added in each accurate titrations. Final burette reading of Fa2 centimeter cube unit is very important. You know, we have 7 marks till uh, uh, up till now, and you know 7 marks you have to draw a table, 1 mark per table, and 2 marks, second mark will be given to you for correct formatting. Like first you have to write down final burette reading, second initial burette reading, and then volume of Fa2 used centimeter cube. Best titration results. So this is the formatting. Units, third number is given to you for units. Just write down always units, centimeter cube over here, centimeter cube over here, in every column write down the unit of the burette volume. So, and gap between two readings should be in between 0.10 to 0.20, not more than this. This is the fifth marks given to you. And accuracy, so you can score 5 marks if you draw a table, draw a neat and clean table like this, and 6 and 7 marks for accuracy if your reading is closer to the examiner or supervisor reading, that is nearly difference between 0.10 to 0.20, you get 2 marks for this. So best titration, the consistent result that in these two readings, there is a difference between 0.10, 24.60 and 24.50. So these are the two best titration. From your accurate titration results, obtain a suitable value for the volume of Fa2 to be used in your calculation. Show clearly how you obtain this result, this value. So by adding these two results and divided by 2, show your calculation clearly over here. So we have 24.55 is the mean value of these two readings. Calculate the number of moles of sodium hydroxide present in the volume of Fa2 calculated. So we have formula mole is equal to concentration, because we have concentration of Fa2 that is 0.105 and volume of Fa2 is 24.55, which we get from this table. Divided by 1000 because the volume is in centimeter cube, so to change into dm cube divided by 1000, so we get moles of sodium hydroxide is 2.5. So you must write down your answer over here. A mole of sodium hydroxide is 2.577 into 10 raised by 2 minus 3. So to deduce the number of moles of H positive present in 25 centimeter cube of Fa1, we don't have equation because we don't know the acid Z. So that's why we deduce that the similar moles of hydrogen ion might be used for this. So we reduce the number of moles, similar moles of sodium hydroxide ratio method. So we have 2.577 into 10 raised by 2 minus 3 moles of hydrogen ions in this titration. Calculate the number of moles of H positive present in 1 dm cube. So this mole is in 25 centimeter cube. So using the ratio method, 25 centimeter mole ratio volume. So this is volume and these are the mole. So 25 centimeter contain, if 25 centimeter contains 0.002577 moles, so what would be the mole in 1 dm cube, which is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So this is centimeter cube volume, centimeter cube volume. So 1000 centimeter cube contain x mole. So now we get moles of H positive in 1 dm cube of Fa1 is 0.10311 mole. Fa1 contains 6.10 gram per dm cube of acid Z. The relative molecular mass of Z is 126. So first of all, we calculate the mole per dm cube, because this is the concentration in gram per dm cube. So calculate the mole per dm cube. So mass per dm cube. So this is gram per dm cube and divided by mr. So we have 0.04841 mole per mole are there in 1 dm cube of Fa1. Use your answer to 2 and 3. This is the moles of Z and this is the mole of H positive in Fa1. Use your 2 and 3 to determine whether Z is monoprotic or diprotic. Explain your answers. To get the whole ratio, we're using the pattern of empirical formulas, and that we have 2 moles H positive and Z moles in 1 dm cube. So find out the mole ratio by dividing the smaller mole. So we have H positive mole is 0.10311 and Z mole is 0.04841. So this is the smaller value. So dividing the smaller value, we get 2.1 ratio 1. So approximately 2 moles. It means this acid is diprotic. So you have to write down over here that acid is diprotic as the ratio is 2:1. So this is all about of this question, and hopefully you understand this video. Please like and subscribe the channel.